here we go. Cool breeze rider once again.
Where the driver decided to test the biker's.
Oh, side of the vehicle, uncommon thing. What do we do? That person just kind of hanging out there yelling. That's probably what was happening, is that person was yelling at somebody back there, not doing what they're supposed to be doing. They do the oopsie, I'm sorry, wave, leave it alone. Cool breeze usually does. Silver car cut me off, red car's got my back. Okay. So where are we at? Okay, big open lane. Our lane's moving. There it is. That person moved out. That person moved that lane because that big vehicle got in the way. They moved them out. So if we witness something like that, we need to adjust ourselves also. Okay, intersections, orange stage, prepped and ready. Lots of red lights. Watch out for the red light. Okay. Oh! That is probably the best it could have been. That car stopped, but we still impacted. Still can get injured. That was super hard to see. You saw how there was all those lights in the way. So be very careful around those areas. Go slower than you need to.
Hey, look, there's Zach.
Someone crashed and I almost crashed. Huge. Who crashed? New Year's ride, so 1,000+ bikes. So you don't need everybody to stop and help out. You only need those that are actually doing something on scene. So if there's like 40 people just standing around, everyone get out. Let the few people that know how to handle an emergency situation handle it. His quad lock, his phone actually fell off. Make sure you guys grab yourself a rock form mount. Has a magnet to hold it in place also. I love it. Alright, so 90-something miles an hour wheelie. Great. Good job. Mais respeto.
The biker was convinced that the driver
over the crest of the hill, can't see intersection.
It didn't happen.
Okay. Watch out. Uncommon thing. Hands on the handlebars when you're coming up to an intersection. You see that perception, reaction, braking distance. Perception, not paying attention, reaction is way harder and way longer because you had to reach for those because you weren't paying attention. We're going to go over this one when we come back to this. Because that was, you cannot be hands off the handlebars in an area like this. You just cannot do that. So reckless driver almost hit biker on Lilac Road. Okay, slow it down a little bit. Looks like we're going a little fast. It could just be the angle. We're doing good. Oh, good escape. Cool breeze rider slowed it down, going around that person. But remember, if we're speeding, they can't predict really how fast we're going. It's just terrible. I never utilize the other driver's eyes and brain. Use mine. Let's see if he comes to my lane without signal. Now our lane is moving, right? We're going towards an off-ramp. That person might be wanting to go on the off-ramp. They just took it. Not a big deal. You should anticipate those things. Maintain a good space cushion when you can. All right, so this is going to be a stunt. Ooh, slow down. So for the most part, this was like a closed course, which is great. You don't have that traffic hazard, but we also don't have gear. Everyone's just kind of doing their own thing, and you can easily rip off a lot of flesh doing something like this. How to crash your motorcycle at the snow.
The moment of distraction in such conditions is enough to complete.
Oh, looks the road.
Rider.
Looks a little wet. Yeah, the snow on the side, that dirty snow. Careful. This looks like the Grand Canyon, but it's not. Oh, get off the road. So be very careful when it comes to that. I mean, you're already in an area with low traction, so give yourself a bigger space cushion. Get further behind that vehicle. Nobody's passing you. Nobody can. Maintain a good space cushion so that when they do go over like something like this, that snow, or they go around an object on the road, you can see it way ahead of time. So you sit back. Give yourself a good space cushion. You would have seen that sooner, and you would have been able to move away from that hazard a lot sooner than that.